How do you install the Bifrost plugin in Maya? Sometimes you're in Maya and you want to use Bifrost to simulate different effects and fluids, but you don't see it in the menu. The first step is to go to the Effects menu in the top left and look for it at the top. Here, there should be Bifrost. You can also check in your workspace. If you go to the Bifrost Fluids workspace, you still should see Bifrost Fluids at the top here. If you do not see Bifrost Fluids, then you need to make sure the plugin is installed. In Maya, click on Windows, Settings and Preferences, Plugin Manager. There's a search bar in the Plugin Manager for Maya. Just type BI. Now we see the different Bifrost autoload plugins. Now we can click these and then make sure that they are loaded. They will also autoload next time. Go ahead and close this, and then the next time you start Maya, you'll see the Bifrost Fluids up here at the top. And now you can use them to make different fluids and fluid effects inside Maya. Happy 3D modeling!